Dude, you're gonna lose it off the rim. You're gonna lose it off the rim. Go slow. It's really ironic because this whole time we've been kind of making fun of everybody carrying a spare. Everyone carries a spare. But we'll be able to fix the tire, but not when he drives like that on it. What a great adventure. These are the best adventures. I lost Q-Man. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. This is so epic to have a change of pace from the dunes. It's just your pressure was probably too low. That's what my guess was.
Oh, I bet you I split it open on something.
You know, before we left the waterfall, I was watching your tires and I'm like, man, they look too flat, and now it's flat.
Oh, yeah, there's a big fucking hole, I think, here.
Well, good thing we got all those tools, right?
Well, I just gotta get it up.
Good thing we got lots of lights. Sun's dropping. Q-Man's under the gun now. Don't worry, guys. Marcel Recovery is here. Well, this will make the trail even more fun, guys. We get to see Q-Man in action. We gotta jack that shit.
We're gonna get you over there and use your wig to pull us up.
I mean, would you, over where? Yeah, down the river?
Yeah.
Do you not want to park somewhere better?
I can park up here. I'm sure my up there.
Well, think about this. Dude, you're gonna lose it off the rim. You're gonna lose it off the rim. Go slow. It's like almost off the rim. You're on the rim on the rock. Yikes. Probably would have been better off where he was. Fuck, I probably could have backed over those rocks somehow. Oh shit. It's really ironic because this whole time we've been kind of making fun of everybody carrying a spare. Everyone carries a spare. But we'll be able to fix the tire, but not when he drives like that on it. Let's go catch up to him.
You up, winch it up.
What?
We'll get you to back down there and we'll winch it up.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that rim was taking a beating right there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so guys, I got my brake springy thingy on, locked in. Don't even need to put in park. What use is that?
Well, he should have been more this angle.
I can readjust.
Yeah, he should be more this angle. Oh.
All right, that's what the ladies say.
Alright.
So you gotta be able to fix it with
You got your winch thing?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this beast, huh? Let me get it back on the rim. Some sand in the way.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I gotta get a remote. Where's that spare fifth wheel?
Yeah, no shit, right?
After making fun of everybody all week carrying a spare. Well, as long as you can get it back on the rim, we're good.
Yeah, well, hopefully I got enough air to do that.
You got your whole air kit. Well, you got a fire extinguisher, but you got an air kit.
Yeah.
Otherwise, now we can put this into practice.
Yeah.
There you go. This will be a good test. You've done this before, right?
Yeah. But
Get it back on the bead.
feeling a little light.
Why? I thought you refilled it though.
Well, yeah, but sometimes they can leak.
I see. Did you put your blocks down? Look at that inside tire. It's gonna blow that one off the bead. Look at that spring brake thing. You just holding it. Wow, how useful is that? Spring brake thingy. Liar?
No, it's okay.
Just because it's so easy.
Yeah, we can probably wash that thing off.
Give it a good soak. See where it's leaking from?
Not a clue yet. Probably need some more bottles of water to wash the tire off with.
Give some spin on it.
Going? Going.
Yeah, I think it was just your low pressure.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's on. Is it on?
That's it.
I'm gonna save that, obviously. Yeah, I'm trying to just use as little as possible.
Wow, that's awesome, huh? Screw the spare tire. Spare wheel.
I'm guessing it's right here on this vulcanized. I don't hear it. Oh. Right out here on the bead.
Well, how would that be? You want me to let it down?
Not yet.
We have a hammer.
I mean, it might have just been slowly leaking out of that bead.
Well, you had such low pressure, dude. Like, look at your other side.
What do we have for?
Look at that bulge.
What do we have for?
Oh, don't let it down. Keep putting it back up. Why are you doing that?
Just playing around.
I know. I'm trying to fix the fucking thing.
Monkey man's getting angry.
I'm getting angry. I don't need you fucking around when I'm trying to do it.
Let me. Is it still leaking there? Because we can beat on this bead.
It's still leaking a little bit there, but
Could be, maybe there's sand in there.
Wash the shit.
You want to spin the tire around? Oh, wait. You can't do that.
Well, we're not taking it off. Could
I mean, you just put more air in it.
try and seat it.
Just seat it a little better.
Yeah, maybe it's just got a little bit of gravel. Or you cleaned it a little bit, but a little gravel. Air canister for the win.
It can be.
Good old Ryzen.
Typical fuel grippers.
Yeah, you were just in such low pressure, bud. I think they couldn't take it. They were all
I
low.
think it's a little more than that.
Well,
I don't think I popped it off the bead, but maybe I did.
it could have been leaking slowly the whole time. So by
it
now
just
on the
kept
way
dropping
back,
down.
because they look so low, both your tires look so low on the way back. That's why you need bead locks. You wouldn't be able to drive out of there.
Still just leaking on that backside. Trying to find something on the front. Because if it's just a slow leak on there, that's no big deal. We can just put extra air in it.
And get out, yep. And then check it as long as you go. What a great adventure. These are the best adventures.
Always a story.
That's coming out of there. Okay, action. Ernie Racing action. Oh, okay. Never got a chance to use my new ropes.
Your new ropes. All right, Dick, we're just gonna pull ahead.
How much air pressure do you think is in there now? From the look of the bulge, it's still like pretty low. Now it's at the top.
All right.
It was leak. That was this. The safety was right at the bottom.
I don't hear it, but we need some water on there.
Right on the safety. Is that just right where I damaged the rim, though?
Yeah, you probably damaged it. That's probably what it was. Oh! Again, it sounds like it's on the bottom. It's weird. Of course, I got some of that slime in the garage.
Well, that will help.
The good stuff, remember? They got at the bicycle store? Whatever it was called. Well, it looks like you got a good amount in there right now. The bulge is disappearing.
Freezing up fast.
If the tank gets cold?
Yeah.
How much is left in the tank, you think?
Maybe half.
Yeah, you're good. This is when a little Milwaukee would be nice, right? Then you could always just top her up with a Milwaukee battery pack.
Yeah.
Keeps you going forever.
9.5.
All right, guys, this is Marcel and Q-Man and Vern Dick Recovery.
All right.
Combination of Q-Man shit and my winch. And my radio skills to tell him to stop. How long before you realized that you wrecked your rim, right?
When I looked back there, and we probably got pregnant. That's the biggest I've seen it crinkle.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as I'd seen that, you were on the radio.
Crinkle, crinkle, huh?
Crinkle.
Cool, cool. We'll bring the winch in. And anyways, guys, thanks for joining us for another off-road adventure recovery in Utah. I think this is our third recovery of the day.
Third recovery.
Third fix recovery. What do you want to call it? Repair on the trail?
Well, it's, did okay.
This is May on the creek. On the creek. Awesome time. Thanks for joining us. Peace. Peace.